Hey everybody, my name is Mohit and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is challenge number 22 of Solving SQL Challenges playlist, and in this video we are going to discuss a very important Spotify interview question. So without wasting any further time, let us quickly jump on understanding the problem statement and implementing the same logic using SQL query. Okay, so as per the problem statement, we have to find the number of days a US track had stayed in the first position for both the US and worldwide ranking on same day. Okay, so if you observe here, this first table consists of US track ranking within US region, and this second table consists of worldwide ranking of tracks for multiple regions. So as per the problem statement, we have to find for how many days a particular track was at position 1 in both table. So if we are trying to find the common track, that means it has to be US track, right? Because the first table consists of only US track data. So let us understand this using an example. So we have data for 5 different days in both tables. So on 1st of January 2024, if you see, track A was at position 1 in US region, and if you check this worldwide ranking on 1st January 2024, again this track A of US region only was at position 1. Okay, again if you check for 2nd January 2024, track A is at position 1, and same goes for this second table. Again track A is at position 1 on 2nd January, which belongs to US region. And on 5th of January 2024, if you check, again track A was at position 1 in both tables. Okay, so from here we can say that the track A was at position 1 in both tables for 3 different days. So number of days is 3 for track A. Similarly, we can check for other track as well. Now if we check for 4th of January 2024, track G is at position 1, but if you check in this worldwide ranking table, you will find that the track Z is at position 1, but it belongs to GB region. But we have to calculate logic only for US region, so we will discard this value. Okay, so let us implement the same logic using SQL query. Okay, so this DDL and DML script was already given in the interview. So I have used same data and created both tables. So let me select it. So this is the first table where we have got track ranking for the US region on different dates. And we have another table which has got data related to worldwide ranking. So let me select it. So this is the second table where we have overall data for multiple region. Okay, so you can get the related DDL and DML script for both tables in the description. Now let us implement our logic. So what I will do, I will first select all the columns from this both tables, and I'll name this table as rank underscore US, because this table consists of data for US region. And then I'll join second table. I'll name this table as rank underscore overall. Now if we select these two tables, so as per our requirement, the given track with position 1 should be present in both tables. So in our case, let's say on 1st of January 2024, this track A, it should be present in this worldwide ranking table also, right? So what I will do, I will join on rank underscore US dot equals rank underscore overall dot track name. So we have joined these tables on track name, plus those tracks should be at position 1 on same date. So I'll put another join condition on this date column. So I'll write cast. Here this date is column name. This equals this one. Okay, so basically we have joined these two tables on track name and on date. Now we have to put some filter condition, like where we can take any table we just have to filter on position, which should be equal to 1. And anyway, if you are doing inner join, and if this first table consists of only US region data, that means we will get this joining data for only US region. But still, let me write. Okay. So now if we run this, we will get the detail of all the tracks belongs to US region which were at position 1 on same date. So these 4 conditions we are satisfying. Now let us filter out the columns which are really not required. So first column I need is track name. Okay. And second column I need is count of number of days for each track with position 1 on same date. So I'll write count of what? Just count this track name, and I'll name this column as number of days. Okay. Now since we are performing aggregate, we need to do group by on what? On non-aggregate column, group by this one. Okay. Now if we run this, great. We are exactly getting same result. So track A was at position 1 in both tables on same date for 3 days. And track D was at position 1 on same date for 1 day. Okay. So I hope you must have got a very clear picture on how we are implementing that logic. Okay. So we are exactly getting same output, and we have used the similar query in order to achieve this output. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in our next video with a new, interesting and challenging interview question which was asked in real-time interview. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we upload video on a similar topic. Okay, so with that said, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.